Hi guys, it's me Hussein Riaz from Islamabad, ICT, Pakistan. I hope you are fine. Today I would like to continue my classes about Spanish language. If you are eager, if you want to learn Spanish, I think that you may feel educated about, you may know something about Spanish. So, number first word is check. Okay, check. The word check is called cuenta in Spanish. The spelling of cuenta is Cuenta. Cuenta, okay? Cuenta. Second word, pay. Pay is called pagar, okay? In Spanish, pay is called pagar. The spelling of pagar is Pagar. Pagar, pagar. Number third word is want, okay? Want is called deceive. Deceive. The spelling of deceive is Desear. Deceive, right? Number fourth word is want to. Want to is called quero. Want to is called want to. Want to WA want to is called quero. The spelling of quero is Q-U-I-E-R-O. Q-U-I-E-R-O. Quero. Quero, okay? Quero. Q-U-I-E-R-O. Number fifth word is key. Key is called lavi. Lavi, okay? I double, sorry, double L-A-V-E. Lavi, okay? Key is called lavi in Spanish. The spelling of lavi is double L-A-V-E. Lavi, lavi, lavi. Job is called trabajo, okay? In my previous video, I I told you about tribaju sexual. The Spanish of sex work is called tribaju sexual. Okay, so same work is called trebajo in Spanish. The spelling of trebajo is Trabago. Trebajo. Number fifth word, haha. Haha. Haha is called jaja in Spanish. Haha, jaja. Jaja. Tired, cansada. Oh, I am tired. Okay. We often say in English, I am tired. Tired is called cansada. Okay. Cansada in Spanish English. But cansada is used for female. If there is a male, then we will call it cansado. Okay, cansado. Spelling of cansada is Cansada. Cansada. Cansado. Cansado. Right. Want. Want. We have already discussed want. American. Americana. If there is a female, she will be called Americana. If there is a male, if he will be called Americano. The spelling of Americana is A-M-E, Ameri, E-E-E-R, A-M-E-R-I-C-A-N-A, Americana, Americano, A-M-E-R-I-C-A-N-O, Americano, right? Car, car is called caro. Car, 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 caro. The spelling of caro is C-A-R-R-O. Caro. Caro. Car is called caro in Spanish language. Red is called rojo. Okay, red is, what is red called? Red is called rojo in Spanish. Family is called familia. Family is called familia in Spanish. The spelling of familia is F-A-M-I-L-I-A. F-A-M-I-L-I-A, familia. Homework, tarea. Homework. Oh, I'm sick of this homework. Homework is called tarea. T-A-R-E-A, tarea in Spanish. Name, nombre. 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 Name. Nombre. Nombre. Nombre, right? Easy, fácil. Easy. Easy is called fácil in Spanish. The spelling of fácil is F-A-C-I-L. Difficult, difícil. The spelling of difícil, D-I-F-I-C-U-L. Sorry, C-I-L. Difícil, difícil. D-I-F-I-C-I-L. Difícil. French, Francis. Okay. French, Francis. F-R-A-N-C-E-S. Francis. Right? Francis. Free, gratis. Free. I'm free. Free is called gratis in Spanish. G-R-A-T-I-S. Gratis. 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 Hungry, Hambrianta. Hambrianta. If there is a female, she will be called Hambrianta. If there is a male, he will be called Hambrianto. The spelling of Hambrianta is Hambrienta. Hambrianta. Hambriento. 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 Okay. Hungry, Hambrianta. Hungry, Hambriento. Right. Thirsty. Thirsty, Sidianta. Thirsty is called Sidianta. Sidianta. The spelling of Sidianta, Sidianto. If there is a female, she will be called Sidianta. If there is a male, he will be called Sidianto. Sidianto. The spelling of Sidianta, S-E-D-I-E-N-T-A. Sidianta. If there is a male, he will be called Sidianto. S-E-D-I-E-N-T-O. Sidianto. Sidianta. Sidianta. T-A. Sidianto. T-O. Your is called tu. T-U. T-U. Tu. Your is called tu in Spanish. T-U. The spelling of tu is T-U. Juice. Jugo. Okay. Juice is called jugo. J-U-J-O. J-U-J. Sorry. J-U-G-O. J-U-G-O. Jugo. Thesis. Thesis is called thesis. T-E-S-I-S. Thesis. 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 Okay. Drafting. Redaction. Okay. Drafting is called redaction in Spanish. The spelling of redaction is R-E-D-A-C-C-I-O-N. Redaction. 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 R-E-D-A-C-C-I-O-N. Redaction. Articles. Articulos. The spelling of articulos is R-A-R-T-I-C-U-L-O-S. Articulos. Articulos. Motorcycle. Motorcycle. Motocicleta. The spelling of motocicleta is M-O-T-O. Moto. Cic. C-I-C. Cic. L-E-T-A. Cicleta. Okay. Perfect. Perfecto. Perfect. Perfect. Perfecta. Perfect. Perfecto. Perfect. Perfecta. Female. Perfect. Perfecto. Male. The spelling of perfecta is P-E-R-F-E-C-T-A. Perfecta. P-E-R-F-E-C-A-T-O. Perfecto. T-O. T-O. Sorry. T-O. Perfecto. Hurt. Herir. H-E-R-I-R. R-I-R. Harir. Boundaries. Limites. L-I-M-I-T-E-S. Limites. L-I-M-I-T-E-S. Limites. Examination. Examine. The examination is called examine in Spanish. The spelling of examine is E-X-A-M-E-N. Examine. Examine. People genti. People genti. The genti. The spelling of genti is G-E-N-T-E. Genti. Vegetable. Verdura. Vegetable is called verdura in Spanish. The spelling of verdura is V-E-R-D-U-R-A. I'm not only reading these words. Some words I know some of these words. Okay, so don't think that I am only copy pasting, and these are all the words written by me, memorized by me. But when you are on the camera, when you are teaching something specifically by your own words, then you obviously need some notes. Okay, so these are my notes. Vegetable verdura, left esquiata. Okay, esquiata, esquiata. Left is called esquiata in Spanish. Esquiata, the spelling of esquiata is Izquirda. Esquiata. Esquiarda, D, not T. Best is called la major. Okay, best is called la major. Male female same. Okay, la major, the spelling of la major is la, then space, and then second word starts with MEJOR. La major, la major. Okay, la major, LAMEJOR. Gate, puta. Gate is called puta. Gate is called puta in Spanish. PUERTA. PUERTA, puta. Violation, violation. Violation is called violation in Spanish. The spelling of violation is VIOLACIO, and violation. Paper, papal. Paper is called papal. PAPEL. PAPEL. Open-minded, dementi abita. Dementi abita. DEMIENTA. Dementi. Dementi abita. Abita, ABIERTA. Abita. Dementi, DEMIENTA. Dementi abita, ABIERTA. Dementi abita. Fine or good is called bine. Okay, bine in Spanish. The spelling of bine is BIEN, bine. Doing haciendo. Doing is called haciendo in Spanish. The spelling of haciendo is haciendo. The spelling of haciendo is HACIENDO. 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 D, not T. Haciendo. 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 Eat, comer. Eat is called comer in Spanish. COMER, comer. Pizza. Pizza is also called pizza in Spanish. PIZZA. Courteous. Courteous. Courteous is called courteous in Spanish. The spelling of courteous is CORTES. Courteous. Little. Pequeña. Little, pequeña for female, pequeño for male. The spelling of pequeña is PEQUENO. Pequeña. PEQUENO. Pequeño. Nothing. Dinada. Nothing. Dinada. Nothing is called dinada in Spanish. The spelling of dinada is DENADA. Dinada. Sit down. Lo siento. Sintati. I'm so sorry. The spelling of sit down is called sintati. Sintati in Spanish. The spelling of sintati is SIENTAT. Sintati. Delicious. Delicioso. Delicioso. Delicious. The spelling of delicious is delicious. Delicioso. The spelling of delicioso, DELICIOSO. Empathetic. Empatico. The spelling of empatica is EMPATICA. Empatica. EMPATICO. Empatico. First is used for female, and second is used for male. So this was the third class of Spanish language. I hope that you have learned some new words. Thank you very much for listening, and thank you very much for listening, my dear readers. I hope that luck and circumstances and hard work help you. So thank you very much for listening, and this is for you.